What's the meaning of aurally? Aurally. Aurally.
Aurally. Aurally. The term aurally refers to something that is perceived or experienced through hearing or the ear. It is related to the sense of hearing and the auditory system. When we say that something is experienced aurally, we mean that it is being perceived through sound or the way in which sounds are produced or organized. Aural experiences can include listening to music, hearing a person's voice, or the sound of nature. Overall, the term aurally indicates a focus on the auditory aspect of an experience or perception.